Hey Stunning Fam, this is Sarah. Happy Wednesday. Today we are going to be showing the transformation of this shoe bench. We actually bought this bench off of OfferUp for $40 from a couple that was moving to another state. They had made it themselves, but they were trying to sell it because they were moving and just wanted to get rid of most of theirs. We did transform this bench out of need because our dog Bear, who is still a puppy, he loves to chew shoes. So this original design was open, right? You could see the shoes, you could grab them at any time. Well, we decided to place cabinet doors on the bench so that we could just open it whenever we need to access our shoes and close it immediately. We started the transformation by removing the top piece, which was unfortunately bowed. We think that over time, because of lack of support in the front, that it may have caused it to bow in the middle. We did need to change this out because the cabinet doors were not going to be flush with the wood if we had kept the bowed wood. We decided to replace the bowed wood with 3 2x6 pieces of wood. As you can see in the video, we glued them together and then clamped them to stay overnight. As you can see, the creator of this bench had created trim to place over the screw holes, so Brandon had to take off the trim, put the screws back in the screw holes to secure the top to the bench, and then place the trim back onto the bench. The next step was creating the cabinet doors. So these cabinet doors are made up of 1/2-inch plywood and panel wainscot molding. Brandon cut the wainscot molding with the miter saw and the table saw to fit the piece of plywood that will now become the cabinet door on each side. Brandon secured the wainscot molding with a nail gun and painted both sides white with a spray can. Brandon then used a concealed hinge jig to cut the holes for the soft close hinges. If you ever plan on making cabinet doors, I highly recommend this kit. It comes with everything you need besides the drill, of course, but it makes, creating cabinet holes for hinges a lot easier. Brandon found the soft close hinges on Amazon. I will go ahead and link the product in the description below because they are amazing. Brandon cut a piece of the wainscot molding to place in the center of the bench, which keeps us from being able to see inside it between the cabinet doors. He also installed the cabinet magnet latch. The first part of this set goes on the inside. As you can see, he placed it on both sides of the wainscot molding, and he also installed the other side, which is the actual magnetic side. I mean, they're both magnetic, but the pure magnet side to go on the cabinet door so that when it closes, it stays closed and it's not easily opened. Alrighty, Stunning Fam, I hope that you enjoyed today's transformation video, and we will see you next time. See ya!